Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar is showing some bias to the upside after recently reaching its near-term objective of 71.40 after printing a 58 low. In light of the current pattern, we could see a potential move towards 72.25.35 and reassess from there, as a break above there would give further scope towards 73 cents, which is likely to be rejected, and I anticipate a move from there back down towards that 71.40 level and then break beneath there to target 70.60.70 and lower down towards 69.50.80 as an objective. The euro is trading modestly in a conservative pattern as it consolidates within the range of 104.10 to 104.70, which sets up the parameters for today. In the current pattern, we could see a further squeeze up towards 105.20.25, and it is viewed there that a break above there would see a move towards 105.70.80. Now that being said, a rejection from 105.20.25 would give further view for a move towards 103.45.50, which is the near 14-year low after printing last week a 103.50 low. Beneath there of 103.45 would give further weakness towards 102.40.70 and then lower down towards 101.60.65 and reassess from there. Dollar yen still holding conservatively underneath that 118.30 resistance, with the short-term resistance now capped at 117.65, with a range holding now of 05 to 65. In light of the current pattern here, I still expect to see weakness to challenge that support of 116.60 and down towards 115.25.40, which should bring short-term demand back into the market and rebound from there and take out the 118.30 level and move on towards 119 to 120. Sterling still remaining weak since the break of 122.80, and I still look for the view down towards 122.10.15. Now it is beneath there, should give further exposure to the downside and look towards that recent low around that 120.60 level, with the flash crash beneath around that 118 region, which is what I am looking for, should I say, in the next coming days, 2 weeks. Resistance now caps at 123.10 to 123.80 and likely to hold there for the next 24 to 48 hours. Well, it should be noted that gold took a stab through 11.44 overnight but didn't sustain as it challenged that 11.50 resistance and was clearly rejected, and now setting up further weakness into today. Immediate support comes in at 11.31 and lower towards 27. Now beneath there exposes the 11.20 level, and a break beneath there will give further exposure towards 11.10 and reassess from there. It still needs to take a break over that 11.50.53 to support further rally up towards an objective of 11.70, but this looks unlikely due to the fact that the market was very hesitant to continue on from that challenge of 11.50 overnight. And to wrap up, the break of oil above 53.60 has left me neutral. I need to see further confirmation from the oscillators to support this move. At the moment they are holding negative, so I would like to sit out for 24 hours and give a neutral view and see if the market can sustain above the break, or will it actually give the gains back and look back towards that 49 region. So see what the market lies in the next 24 hours. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for my intraday report, which will be released very shortly.